So you found the house of your dreams, that beautifully remodeled house? Well, before you get too excited, we need to have a closer look at it. This is Phil from Wise Home Inspections. I just did an inspection of this beautifully remodeled home built in 1958. And on closer examination, we do find a few major issues. In the electrical panel, we find old cloth wiring, both a fire hazard and could be an issue for getting insurance. When we take a look at the gas water heater, at first everything looks fine, but a closer look shows a lot of burning at the top, indicating that it's backdrafting. So instead of the exhaust gases flowing out, they're blowing back down into the home. It's also making some popping noises, indicating that it's the end of its life and it's probably going to need to be replaced. Okay, so now let's go and have a look at the roof. Now we checked the permit history before we got here and discovered that the roof is already 17 years old, so it's getting up there. If you have a look here, you can see water's leaking. It's all rotting and the water's leaking through there. So let's actually get up on the roof itself. First thing we notice is that it's lifting on the edges, so a great place for water to get in, which is obviously what's happening. So we've got a pretty old flat roof. It's been covered with elastomeric as a desperate attempt to try and waterproof it. And if you have a look at the shingles, they've been painted too. Shingles are not designed to be painted, they're supposed to breathe. And you can see that they're starting to lift. You can see they're curling there. So there's very little life left on this roof. And for insurance purposes, insurance companies want to see that there is at least 3 or 5 years life left on the roof. So when you see that beautiful home, make sure you get a thorough inspection done so that you're not buying some problems. Thanks again.